How to access Peacock TV premium content. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. You can launch a preferred browser in a device and search for Peacock TV subscription. Tap on Choose a Plan. Now in here you will find various of plans such as Premium and Premium Plus. Depending upon the package, you will have certain additional feature for Premium Plus, just like local NBC channel live for 24/7. Now you also have the option of payment such as monthly or annually. Just tap on select on any of the option that is more suitable for you. Now if you have not created an account, you must enter this field, then tap on create account. After which, before proceeding to check out, if you have a promo code, don't miss out to enter your promo code and tap on apply. This will give you some of the substantial discount. If you already have an account, just go ahead and tap on sign in. After that, you'll be able to get your hands on your Peacock TV premium content. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.